So as I'm walking into the old town of Salamanca, I've got my Crows shirt on. So for those of you who sent me the message about hope the Crows go well in the finals, well, thanks for that, but that wasn't the case, was it? We finished minor premiers and lost both our finals games at home. So that's not great. That's really disappointing. So I hope the club acts on that. My hat, it's the Eagles. Well, for those of you who know nothing about AFL football, the Adelaide Football Club is in the national competition. And the Eagles, which is my hat here, that's a team in the local SANFL, South Australian football competition. So that's the difference. I've got two different teams, one national, one state that I follow. Now he said I could walk, and I left the car back at the hotel because it's just so bloody hard to in Spanish cities to drive your car in to get car parks, and I've had trouble finding the bloody thing when I go in. Yesterday, when was it? Yeah, was it yesterday or the day before? But anyway, one day it took me about half an hour to find the car. The GPS on foot in the city is a little bit harder to keep track of. So I decided today I'll just try and walk in, see what happens. So we're not far from Portugal here, from the Portuguese border. Right, I think I've found the Roman wall. It's got something engraved, indentated into the stone, but I can't. And it's got this, it's in the shade at the moment. This is an old Roman wall dating back, well, I asked the reception man, he couldn't put a date on it, but it's, I know a lot of the Spanish cities date back to 1100, but this is a lot older than that. This is Roman times. Okay, so I'm going to start walking across the Roman wall towards the old city, I would suggest. Yeah, so this is something special for me because coming from Australia, we just simply don't have man-made structures that are 2,000 years old. This is called the Roman Bridge of Salamanca. It's one of the city's iconic landmarks. Its history dates back to 27 BCE to 79 CE. The bridge was built during the Roman occupation of the Iberian Peninsula. And when I say BCE, they call that before Common Era or before Christ. CE is Common Era or AD. So the non-neutral, non-religious way of saying it is before Common Era. The original structure had 26 arches on it, of which 15 on the city side are still intact today. So that's incredible. In the 17th century, it had a major flooding of the river here, and parts of the bridge were destroyed and had to be reconstructed with different stonemasonry styles. So it has got a variation in parts of it. And believe it or not, right up until 1973, cars used to drive across this bridge. So yeah, this was a really special thing to see. Hola. Everybody says hola as you go past. I say when I listen to some of the videos, you can hear me puffing and carrying on in the background. It's not great. So we're about halfway across, and there's a little seating area there that they built. Excuse me, do you know this river? The river here?
Let me see here.
Oh, you live here?
No.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay because we can see here.
Gee, have a look how fast it's flowing. It's flowing very quickly.
Should be larger.
Huh?
Should be larger.
So where are you from?
Brazil.
Brazil?
See,
tourist?
No, I'm working. I'm around
you're working.
Europe until January.
Oh, beautiful.
Well, let's see here. Vamos tirar. Tira, vai.
See, you're very good on the technology.
No, my son. Puente de Riquestão.
Have a look at the name. Have a look at the name of it. What's it called? A Puerto Romano?
Ponte Romano. I'm going to, because it's there, right?
Yeah.
This is not the Romano Ponte.
That's what?
The Romano.
What's Romano?
Puente.
The river?
No. Let me see the river.
But this is the Roman Bridge.
Rio Tormes.
Rio Tormes.
Tormes.
Rio Tormes River.
Tormes.
Oh, beautiful.
No, okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, it's got a good flow to it though. I don't know, you probably can't pick it up with the camera. Yeah. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Gee. Just about, I reckon, about 21 degrees. So I'm just leaving the end of the Roman Bridge here, and this is the southern entrance into the Old Town of Salamanca, which is right in front of us. It dates back 2,300 years. The old original Roman wall is right behind those buildings there. Now, when the Roman wall was no longer needed as a fortress, they built those older houses. Now, they would have been built back in the 12th, 13th century. And obviously, over the last 300 to 400 years, they would have been remodified, new facades, etc. So, wonderful site here, full of history. Thank you for watching. The next video is all about the Old Town of Salamanca, a full tour of that.